Ew, what's that outfit? Wait, why do I care?
It's not judgy. It's pattern recognition with personality.
Ever judge someone's shoes, then judged yourself for judging? Yeah, you're not evil, you're just human. And your brain? She's dramatic, scared, and weirdly obsessed with social survival.
Back in the caveman days, judgment kept us alive. That guy with the weird feathers, he might stab you. Now it's gym bros and LinkedIn influencers.
Your brain still sees different as danger. Your barista wears eyeliner, plus says, new tribe, assess threat.
I don't judge you because I hate you. I judge you before others can.
Judgment is emotional armor. If you say, I'm so awkward, first, no one else can weaponize it.
So, I'm bullying myself as a defense mechanism?
Exactly. Inner critic? More like unpaid bodyguard with abandonment issues.
That girl who's too confident? The guy who overshares? The friend who doesn't text back right away? They're triggering parts of you that you secretly shut down.
She's free. You're filtered. Therefore, annoyed, rage.
Why do I feel drained after social media?
Because we just compared our insides to 37 people's filtered outsides and lost.
Constant judgment, fallen, emotional hangover. You're not mean. You're just overstimulated.
I can't just not judge, but I can unlearn being a jerk about it. Catch it, name it. Oh, that's a judgment. Cool, not truth. Would I say this to my best friend? If not, rewrite it gently. Curiosity, criticism. I wonder what they're dealing with instead of what's wrong with them.
So, the goal isn't to never judge. It's to not get stuck there.
Exactly. Judge, catch, soften, move on. Like a mental yoga flow.
Your brain's just scared. It's trying to protect you. It just needs a little therapy and a juice cleanse. Drop a comment if your brain's also way too judgmental sometimes. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone whose inner critic needs a vacation.